So this question says, tickets for a school talent show cost $2 for students and $3 for adults. So I'm going to treat this like a translate word problem. So I'm going to take that first sentence and just write down the information, right? So student tickets, so student ticks equal $2 and adult tickets equals $3. Next sentence. If Chris spends at least $11, but no more than $14 on X student tickets and one adult ticket. So that's a very complex inequality. So we know we're living somewhere between $11 on the low end and $14 on the high end. But we also know that Chris is buying X student tickets and one adult ticket. Right, so we're going to say student tickets, let's call it, I don't know, S. So X times S plus adult tickets are A. So plus A. So this is what Chris is buying. And we know that this value, whatever it is going to be greater than or equal to 11, right? At least 11. But it's going to be less than or equal to 14. So that's the translation of the sentence that I just read. What is one possible value of X? So we're trying to figure out what X is. So because this inequality has to do with money, and because I know that adult tickets cost $3, I could rewrite this as 11 less than or equal to XS plus 3 less than or equal to 14. I can then simplify this by subtracting 3 from each of these sides here, because that's how you simplify a complex inequality. So the 3 is gone. So I have 8 less than or equal to XS less than or equal to 11. And since I know that the student tickets are $2, right, I can replace S with 2. So really I have 8 less than or equal to, let's call it 2X less than or equal to 11, which again allows me to divide everything by 2. So that would mean that 8 divided by 2 is 4. It's less than or equal to X, which is less than or equal to 11 divided by 2, which is 5.5. And since X represents the number of student tickets, right, we can't actually buy 5.5 tickets. So X is going to be between 4 and 5, which really means it's either going to be 4 or 5. So either one of those answers should be correct for you. So I'm going to go with 5 as my answer. So 5 is a good answer, but again, 4 would also work in this case. If you weren't certain of it, you could always plug these numbers back in and just say, okay, if I like 5, for instance, and that means Chris bought 5 student tickets, that would mean that he paid $10 for the student ticket. Plus, we already know he bought one adult ticket, so that would be $3 for an adult ticket. So that's 3. And 10 plus 3 is $13. And we know that we just want to be somewhere between 11 to 14. Right? So $13 fits that. It is between 11 and 14. So that means 5 will be a good answer. If we tried or tested out answer choice or the option for selecting 4 as our answer, again, we'd say, well, he bought 4 student tickets. So that would be a total of $8. And again, 1 adult ticket, right? This is adult tickets. So 1 adult ticket for $3. Well, that's a total of $11. And again, we want to be somewhere between 11 to 14. So spending $11 is perfectly good because we can spend at least $11. So that proves to you as well that answering with 4 would also be considered a good answer.